Hello guys, in today's video I'm going to show you how you can easily fix Wi-Fi not working in your Samsung Galaxy A36. The first thing that you need to do is to open settings. Here tap connections, and now here tap Wi-Fi. Now here, as you can see, we do have this Wi-Fi turned on. Tap the switch to make your Wi-Fi disabled, and after some time, for example 10 seconds, enable your Wi-Fi back again. Now you should be able to connect. If you can't connect still, tap this gear icon near your saved network, tap forget, and now select your network in the available networks back again. Not this one especially, I need this one, and here enter your password. Of course, correct password that you are sure that fits into your Wi-Fi network. Here, now as you can see, we are connected and it works. If your still doesn't, you need to now hold the power button and the volume, wait a moment. Here, volume down, I think, and power, restart and restart. Restart your router too by just turning the power off and on. After some time, your router should be set up and everything should be fine. And if it doesn't work, we do have only one option as a last resort, and I will show you this when our phone turns on. Now we are done, and open settings, and now you need to scroll down to the here it will be here, general management. Once you enter this option, you should find reset, and now here reset Wi-Fi and Bluetooth settings. Tap it and reset settings. Now everything should be nice, and that's it. Hope it helps you, and goodbye.